In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign out of Amazon Music. Whether you're on the desktop app for Windows or Mac, or using the web player in your browser, I'll walk you through exactly where to find the sign out option so you can quickly secure your account. Let's start on the desktop app. Open the Amazon Music app. In the top right corner, look for your profile name or the small profile icon. Click it, then choose Settings. Inside Settings, you'll see the Sign Out option. Click Sign Out to complete the process. That's it. This removes your account from that app, which means the next time you launch Amazon Music on this computer, you'll be asked to log in again before you can access your music and playlists. It's worth noting that simply closing the app window doesn't sign you out. To fully end your session, you do need to use the Sign Out control inside Settings. Now, if you're listening in a web browser, the process is even quicker. Go to the Amazon Music site in your preferred browser. In the top right corner, click your account name and select Sign Out. On the web, this signs you out of your Amazon account for that browser session. If you revisit Amazon in the same browser, you'll be treated as signed out until you enter your credentials again. A couple of important reminders before we wrap up. Closing the app or tab alone isn't enough. Use the Sign Out option so your session ends cleanly. After signing out, you'll need to log back in the next time you want to listen, so make sure you remember your credentials. Also, if you use multiple Amazon apps on the same device, like the Shopping app, Prime Video, or Kindle, signing out of Amazon Music applies only to Amazon Music. Those other apps may stay signed in until you sign out of each one separately. If you share your computer or browser with others, it's a smart habit to sign out when you're finished, especially on public or work devices. This helps keep your recommendations, playlists, and account settings private and prevents others from accessing your music. That's all you need to know to sign out of Amazon Music on desktop and on the web. If this walkthrough helped, take a moment to sign out now if you're on a shared device, and you'll be set for next time you want to log back in and listen.